Hello, I'm Shadow. We will learn about the currency of exchange rates. An exchange rate is the value of one nation's currency versus the currency of another nation or economic zone. In the entire world, we have lots of various currencies. Most exchange rates are free-floating and will rise or fall based on supply and demand in the market. Some countries have restricted currencies, limiting their exchange to within the country's borders. Also, a restricted currency can have its value set by the government. In the United States, we have a currency in terms of dollars. Dollars used in some regions including those of Australia, Brunei, Canada, Hong Kong, Jamaica, Liberia, Namibia, New Zealand, Singapore, and Taiwan. The dollar symbol looks identical, but the rates are not all same, they vary one after the other. For example, in the year 2020, $1 equals $1 CAD and 43 cents. This is much a difference. If you go many years back, you can see the fluctuation of stock market levels. Other currencies, for example, suppose, Euro, used in entire continent Europe, consisting of numerous countries like Finland, France, Germany etc. have different rates. In 2020, $1 is €0.9 for entire Europe. So, this topic was the basics of exchange rates. Like, comment, and subscribe now on YouTube.